Should you build a brand new house or buy one that is already standing? One gives you complete freedom. The other could save you years of stress. I'm engineer Abdirahim Mohamed, your construction therapist. I have spent more than 10 years working in structural design and project delivery. Today, we are putting them head to head to see which choice fits your family's future. Category 1 is customization. This is where your dream begins. When you build from scratch, you design for how your family actually lives. You choose the number of bedrooms, the kitchen position, and where the natural light hits. You aren't just building a house, you're crafting a home tailored to your soul. With an existing house, you're working around someone else's decisions. You might get the location, but you might also inherit their layout mistakes. Now let's talk about category 2, time frame. This is the reality check. The existing house wins easily because it is already there. Move in next month. But building is a marathon, not a sprint. A new build involves land verification and endless designs before the first brick is laid. Then there are unexpected delays like heavy rain that stops everything. And my personal favorite, contractors disappearing for 3 days. Then they return and act as though nothing happened. It takes a special kind of patience. If you need a house soon, an existing property is clearly the more practical option. Building takes 12 to 18 months of your life. Make sure you are ready for that commitment. It's a direct trade-off between getting exactly what you want and getting it when you need it. Category 3, energy and climate performance. Category 3 is energy efficiency and climate performance. The new build takes this one. A new home can be designed from the beginning for the local climate. In hotter areas, you can reduce heat using the correct building orientation, roof insulation, shading, verandas, cross-ventilation, and carefully positioned windows. You can also plan for solar panels, efficient lighting, water storage, and energy-efficient appliances. This does not mean every new house is automatically efficient. A glass box facing the afternoon sun can still turn your living room into a free sauna. The advantage is that you have the opportunity to make the correct decisions before construction begins. An older house can be improved, but adding insulation, replacing windows, redesigning ventilation, or upgrading electrical and water systems can be costly. It is usually cheaper to build these features into the property from the start than to break finished walls later. For long-term comfort and lower operating costs, the new build wins. Category 4, location. Category 4 is location. The existing house wins. Established houses are often found in developed neighborhoods with functioning roads, schools, mosques, shops, public transport, and mature communities. There may also be reliable access to electricity, water, and drainage. New housing developments are frequently located farther outside major cities because land is more affordable there. That cheaper plot may look attractive, but you need to investigate what surrounds it. Is the access road usable during the rainy season? Is there electricity nearby? Where will the water come from? Is the area at risk of flooding? And is the promised shopping center actually being built, or is it still living inside the developer's imagination? You can build a new house in an established neighborhood, but suitable land may be expensive, difficult to find, or affected by ownership disputes. So if your priority is a proven neighborhood with established services, the existing house has the advantage. Category 5, repairs and renovations. Category 5 is repairs and renovations. On paper, the new build wins. The roof, plumbing, wiring, finishes, and structural elements are all new. If the house has been designed, constructed, and inspected properly, major repairs should not be expected immediately. An existing house will naturally contain older components. The roof may be reaching the end of its useful life. The electrical system may not handle modern appliances. Water pipes may be leaking behind the walls. Bathrooms and kitchens may need updating. But there is an important warning. New does not always mean good. A badly supervised new house can develop leaks, cracks, drainage problems, and electrical defects within months. Fresh paint is very talented at hiding bad workmanship. Before purchasing an existing house, arrange an independent building inspection, and before accepting a new house, inspect the construction at important stages. The new build wins this category, but only when the work has been properly controlled. Category 6 is financing. The existing home usually wins. In many East African markets, formal mortgage access is still limited compared with cash purchases, diaspora funding, savings groups, and staged payments. However, lenders generally find completed properties easier to value than houses that have not yet been built. A finished property can be inspected, valued, and used as security. Financing a new build may require approved drawings, proof of land ownership, a detailed bill of quantities, contractor information, and staged inspections. The lender may release money in phases as construction progresses. And when a construction budget changes halfway through the project, the bank does not normally send a sympathy card. Many families therefore build gradually using savings or money sent from abroad. That can work, but stopping and restarting construction may increase costs and create quality problems. Financing conditions vary significantly between countries and lenders, but in general, the completed existing property is the simpler option to finance. Category 7 is safety. A properly designed new build should have the advantage because it can follow current structural, fire, electrical, and sanitation requirements. The engineer can design for the actual soil conditions, number of floors, wind exposure, and local environmental risks. However, regulations and enforcement differ across East African countries and local authorities. A new building is not automatically safe simply because it is new. If the soil was never investigated, if reinforcement was reduced to save money, or if the contractor changed the design without consulting the engineer, the age of the building will not protect you. This category goes to the new build because you can control the design from the beginning, but professional design and independent supervision are non-negotiable. Category 8 is cost. This one is a tie. Buying an existing house gives you a clearer starting price. You can compare several properties and negotiate with sellers. But you must also budget for legal checks, professional inspections, transfer costs, and possible renovations. Building from scratch gives you more control over the design and specification. But construction budgets can rise quickly through design changes, poor supervision, wastage, and unexpected ground conditions. One of the most dangerous sentences in construction is, "Since we are already building, let us add one more thing." That one small thing brings friends. A larger kitchen, a balcony, imported tiles, a decorative gate that looks like it belongs to a presidential palace. Before long, your budget has packed its bags and left the country. A disciplined new build can cost less than purchasing an equivalent finished house, but an uncontrolled new build can become significantly more expensive. So cost is not determined only by whether you build or buy, it is determined by how carefully you investigate, plan, and manage the decision. After 8 categories, the final result is 4 wins for the new build, 3 wins for the existing house, and 1 tie. So building a new house wins by a narrow margin, but that does not mean everyone should build. Choose a new build if you have secure land, enough time, reliable financing, and a professional team that can protect the project. Choose an existing house if you need to move quickly, want an established location, and prefer greater certainty about the finished property. The best option is not the one that looks most impressive on social media. It is the one that fits your finances, lifestyle, risk tolerance, and long-term plans. Whichever option you choose, do not rush. For an existing property, verify ownership, inspect the building, and investigate the neighborhood before paying. For a new build, confirm the land, complete the design, prepare a realistic budget, and appoint qualified professionals before construction begins. Never spend your life savings based only on attractive pictures, verbal promises, or a relative saying, "Trust me, I know a very good contractor." Trust is important. Documents, inspections, and accountability are better. Which option would you choose? Would you build your dream home from scratch, or buy an existing property and move in sooner? Share your answer in the comments. And if you are planning to build anywhere in Africa, subscribe for practical construction advice that helps you avoid costly mistakes. I'm engineer Abdirahim Mohamed, your construction therapist. Build smart, build safe, build once.